Daga jintmu ban Pynphriang ya kubor shiki nong shik nong ki basa shiki jaka ki bakundong shapang Skim per balawan ra da ka Sorkar Pdeng ka Central Bureau of Communication and Broadcasting Shillong harkat ka jintrelang bad kiwi pat kitrat Sorkar jung riboy menta ka si khat khandai trik no pra kala Pynlong ka awareness program halor ka vikasit bharat sarkal yatra ya ka bala yo ban Pynlong Nongpoh town shopping complex hakatiga program la idon lang da ka nodal officer ka kong Sofia khar lamat kiwi ka officer bat ki pai ba nong lek nong wan kum shibenta jung ka program kala yo ru ban Pynlong ka medical check up ka baom don ka man sew na ka ban ki pai ba nong lek nong wan da ka jintmu ban rat ning khong ga jimpang tuberculosis.
Purpose of this campaign, not for Nongpoh but for all over for all over urban bodies in Meghalaya, especially in Nongpoh, we are here that we want to ensure that every people in this district, rather urban areas as well, can avail every schemes that the PM Narendra Modi has been providing, like the PM Swanidhi. We've been doing free LPG gas connection like PM Ujwala. We've been giving free basic health checkup. There is MHIS, there is Aadhaar, where people can come and avail. So we want to reach out to every people and make sure that this goes all around the district and people can avail these schemes that are there for their benefits only. Today, a lot of people is Nongpoh making one making schemes. Baro Pynphriang Prime Minister Jungi Narendra Modi. Campaign Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra, which is for the developed people for the nation.